The Boston Diagnostic Aphasia Examination consists of 5 subtests, including Subtest 1, Conversational and Expository Speech, Subtest 2, Auditory Comprehension, Subtest 3, Oral Expression, Subtest 4, Reading, Subtest 5, Writing.
Hi, how are you today?
Fine.
Have you ever been here before?
No.
Do you think we can help you?
Maybe.
Do you think you can make any more progress?
Maybe.
What work were you doing before you became ill?
I was a waitress.
Okay. Tell me everything you see going on in this picture.
The boy's about to fall off the stool. And the girl's gonna get her cookie. That's why he's on the stool. And the mom looks like she...
Okay, Allison, show me your shoulder. Touch your cheek. Okay. Point to the peanut. Touch the shirt. Which one is the bus? Okay, Allison, point to the ceiling, then to the floor. Tap each shoulder twice with 2 fingers, keeping your eyes shut. Will a cork sink in water?
No.
Can you use a hammer to pound nails?
Yes.
Will a stone sink in water?
Yes.
Is a hammer good for cutting wood?
No.
Okay, I'm going to read you a short story and then I will ask you some questions about it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Mr. Jones had to go to New York. He decided to take a train. His wife drove him to the station, but on the way they had a flat tire. However, they arrived at the station just in time for him to catch the train. Did Mr. Jones miss the train?
No.
Was Mr. Jones going to New York?
Yes.
Can you tell me the days of the week?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And can you count to 21?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay, I'm gonna say a few words and you're gonna repeat me. Brown.
Brown.
Chair.
Chair.
What?
What?
Emphasize.
Emphasize.
Okay, now I'm gonna say a few sentences and you are going to repeat me. Father comes home.
Father comes home.
He picks up paper from the coffee table.
He picks up paper from the coffee table.
I'm gonna ask you a few questions and you are going to respond. What do we tell time with?
A clock.
What do you do with a razor?
Shave.
What do you do with soap?
Wash.
Okay, I'm gonna point to something and you're gonna tell me what it is, okay?
Okay. S. T. R. E. Seven, 9, orange, blue, green, brown.
Okay, I'm gonna point to something in the book and you have to point to the one that matches. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna hold up my fingers and you have to match the amount of fingers I'm holding up to the paper. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna point to the number and you have to point to the one that matches. Are you ready? I'm gonna point to the image and you have to point to the one that matches. Okay, Allison, I'm going to point to a word and you are going to read it. Are you ready?
Chair, circle, hammock, purple, 15.
Okay. I'm going to now show you a sentence and you are going to read it.
It is a good beach day. Jim and Mary pack a picnic lunch.
Now you are going to read the sentence and complete it with the word that best makes sense. Are you ready?
Yes. The weather was sunny. Mary and Jim rode in a car. The trip took about 45 minutes.
Now you're going to start the sentence and fill it in with the word that makes sense. Are you ready?
Yes. Water is wet. Children play ball.
Sign your name in cursive. Print your name. Write the letters T, G, R, S, B. Copy these words. Quick brown fox. Write the numbers 2, 12, 9, 11, 6. Write the word cat. Write the word run. Write the word go. Write the word dog. You know what this picture is. How do you write it? Write it here. You know what this picture is. How do you write it? Write it here. I'm going to show you a picture and you're going to write as much as you can about the picture. Are you ready? Okay. This is the score summary sheet. The profile is generated by making a circle over the subtest score on each listed subtest. Connecting these points with lines makes the profile easier to visualize. The score summary profile displays the raw scores on each line, spaced so that each score falls under its corresponding percentile value. Because of the standardization scores falling under a particular percentile, value may be deemed to represent equivalent degrees of impairment.